Today is a great day for me. I'm going to cook a caponata in honor of my Sicilian grandfather Vincenzo. The name caponata derives from the word capone. Capone was a fish cooked and eaten only by the aristocrats, so the contadini, the poor people, had to come out with a better idea. And the solution was to substitute capone with melanzane, eggplants or aubergines. So now let's cook it together. Firstly, peppers. The peppers are nice and soft. I love the color. And now the aubergines. I peeled them, diced and kept them in salted water for a few hours. Before frying them, I'm going to dry them a bit. The oil is ready. Let's fry them until they are light golden brown, like this. The oil I'm using has a high content of oleic acid, which means that this oil will withstand higher temperatures. Now let's prepare the sauce. Extra virgin olive oil, some water, onions, cover the onions and let them sweat until they're nice and soft. Now the celery. Add a little bit of water from time to time if you need to. Put the lid on and let it cook. And now chopped peeled tomatoes and passata. Let it cook. The sauce has reduced. It's time to add the rest of the ingredients. Peppers, aubergines, mix them, olives, capers, when it's sizzling, add sugar. And finally, the vinegar. Let it reduce for a few minutes, then taste it to check if you need to add salt. Okay, it's ready. Turn it off and let it cool before serving. And so, here it is, la caponata. If you have enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. If you want to cook with us, details are in the description below.